Good, much better.
Feels better.
Good. Feel the rotation.
Yeah.
So while we're wrapping up, I'm gonna have you hit a few more, but I'm just gonna go over some practice points for you. Obviously we learned today that you really need to focus on your transfer of weight, but a lot of that is in your pre-swing setup. So when you've noticed with the ones you've hit bad, maybe we're not going through the swing that we should be going through each time in the routine. So again, let's go through this one more time here just so we can practice it. This is something you can do at home. You don't even have to be hitting golf balls. Whatever you want to do, making sure that your routine is the same for each shot. Whether we're doing drivers, again, as this lesson series goes on, we want to make sure this is right. So go ahead and set up, practice for me, just going through this routine.
Talk about divots and proper range etiquette.
This is you.
I know, but
Good, Tim. So you're getting a lot better, obviously, throughout this lesson, working on it. You said you wanted to promote that little draw, correct? We wanted to work away from that fade a little bit more to the draw. So we're gonna go over a few practice tips here before we wrap it up. Again, remember the drills we went through, put the tee in the ground. Probably the main factor for you is really your pre-swing thoughts, right? So I want you to practice when you're at home, when you're at the range yourself, getting behind here. Like you said, you like to stand off a little to the left. Go through this 2 or 3 times, you know, rather than going rapid fire in the drills. And the other thing is the shoulder tilt. So if you're catching those fat again, you know, we know our shoulder tilt's probably too square at impact, too flat. And we want to get a little bit more tilt involved in that. You got any questions drill-wise, practice recommendation-wise?
no. Can you show me one more time what's a better way for me to maybe not get so up here like we've noticed, and just maybe get used to the feeling of coming more from the inside?
So another drill that you can do, and again, I'll write all these down for you, I'll email them to you, that way you can work on it. But it's just coming out here and doing little half swings. So instead of coming out here and the range line is lit and you're hitting, you know, full shots every time, come out here and just give me some half swings, you know, even quarter swings. Something that we can feel a lot today pertaining to the short game. Are there any questions for me? I know we've worked on a few drills I'd like to see you do, especially this landing zone drill that we set up. I think that's going to be huge for you going forward. You know, take 10, 15 minutes every time you're out here at the short game area and work on the landing zones. Again, working on if the ball's in the front of your stance, you're trying to hit a little bit higher. Obviously, that landing zone is going to move a little bit farther. If we want one to run out, like if we're going to try to hit a 7-iron, 8-iron, we worked on that a little bit where we want to run it out. That landing zone is obviously going to be a lot shorter due to the fact that the ball's going to run out. So do you have any questions for me at all? Any more drills you'd like to know about?
Really the only drill that, you know, we were talking about and I think is helping the most is putting our sticks out there, you know, having an idea of where we need to land it, and you know, definitely I need to keep my weight in front.
Right, and again, you can gladly go and hit a few shots with just the 1 foot. I really feel that weight. Look at that. One of the best ones. This could go in. Well, that's 1 foot, so you're getting in the relation now of where this weight needs to be. So come out and hit a few. Watch that landing zone. Clip it.